I have a bottle, a very special bottle that obeys my request. When I ask the bottle waterfall, then water falls from it. So this is the bottle. I have put water in it, and there are holes at the bottom, but the water is not coming out from those holes because I have not yet made any request to the bottle for water to come out, and therefore the water is not come out. But when I say waterfall, water falls. Water stop, water stops. So it understands my orders. When I say waterfall, then water falls. Stop, then water stops. So it understands my verbal orders and acts accordingly. But do you think a bottle can really listen? A bottle can really understand? That's not exactly possible, because bottle is a non-living object and it doesn't think like us. But this is a special bottle, and what is the speciality in it? How I have made it? I am showing. These are the 4 holes in the bottom from where water comes out whenever it comes out. So these 4 holes are there for water to come out of the bottle. But this is not the all. I have made yet another hole, that is the 5th hole. You can see here this blackish thing. This is also a hole, and in fact this is the hole from where I am controlling all the things. When I hold the bottle, I put my thumb here, water inside, and my thumb on the 5th hole, and then water cannot come from this point. If water comes out from here, this air here expands, its pressure goes down. Remember, my thumb is closing the 5th hole, so no air can go from there, and hence the air inside is expanded. Once little water, this pressure goes down, it is expanded when water comes out from the bottom. Now once pressure is decreased here, then this outer atmospheric pressure below the bottle, that will not allow this water to come out because it is pushing the water. And the hole, if the hole is open, in that time the water comes out because air goes through that hole into the bottle and the pressure is not able to decrease. So when water comes out, some space is created because of water coming out. Space has to be filled by the air. If I close the 5th hole, air does not go in, and then the space is not filled and water does not come out further. And if I open the hole, air goes in, no space is created, and then the water comes out easily. Now I'll show you this experiment once again, but this time not in the magic mode. I'll show very explicitly how I am removing the thumb and how I am putting the thumb. So I put the water, screw the cap very tightly, and here is the 5th hole closed and what is not coming out, because this air pressure here is less than the outer atmospheric pressure. But when I remove my thumb from the 5th hole, then the water comes out because air is going in, and more air is going in inside this bottle, and hence it comes out very easily.